So it's a secret. Don't tell anybody. Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. I have a tutorial for this. Yeah. I will link it below. Ta-da! I love this sweater. All right. So, I have a secret. All right. I have some yarn to give away. There's a reason I'm giving it away. And I'm going to tell you the truth about this yarn, okay? Okay, first of all, it's Cascade Yarns Cherub Aran Wave. Okay, it is 55% nylon, 45% acrylic. There's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 240 yards, 220 meters. Okay, and let's see, the color is 605, machine wash warm, tumble dry, made in China. And it's soft, it's soft. Okay, is there anything else on here? I don't see the hook size, but it's okay. The weight of the yarn is an Aran, so it's similar to a 4, but it's a thinner 4. Okay. So the reason I'm giving this away today in this video, and I have 3 of them. Okay, they're wound differently, but they're all the same. Is because, and if you don't mind this and want to enter, if you don't, that's fine. But I started making something with it. I had to frog, and it's really hard to frog. Yeah, so I'm letting you guys know. But if you are not one that frogs often, yay! So 3 of these for you guys. Okay, so there are 240 yards. So 6, 7, why do I do this to myself? 720? No, yeah, I think it's 720 yards. All right, so you saw the title of the video. It says Out of the Blue, because it's an Out of the Blue giveaway. But what I want you to write in the comments, if you want to enter, is write out of the, and then your favorite color. If your favorite color is blue, write blue. If it's red, write out of the red. Or out of the yellow if it's yellow. I just thought that would be fun. Okay, so the rules will be down below, and it's, you know, YouTube's not affiliated. You have to be 18 or older. Duties and taxes are your responsibility, and you know, all those other things. Oh, it's open worldwide. Okay, it's open worldwide. So you'll get these 3 balls of yarn, and you'll get some extra little goodies. Okay, so have fun with this video. All right, don't tell anybody. I'm just kidding. I hope you like this little video. It's a Saturday. What am I doing on here on Saturday? No, I'm not on here on weekends very often. Okay, I wish you all the best.